I stuck it out until the end. I didn't think I was going to see any owls. It is a windy day here in Wyandot County, Ohio. Today I'm not going to go trekking across the countryside. I'm going to take it easy on myself, and I'm basically going to stay on this road, or at least very near to it. I would like to see some owls, but frankly the high wind has got me a bit worried. That might keep them down in the tall grass, at least until after dark. And so now I'm just walking around, and I'm just a creature of opportunity. Hopefully I see some birds that will pose for me. Maybe I can get some good photographs, and later on, maybe the owls will come out. There are some killdeers flying right behind me. Can you hear them? They are a bit far away now, but I did get some photos.
Listen to that wind.
In that tree right behind me, there are some red-winged blackbirds. I'm going to try to get a photo or two.
The strong wind made this next bird appear to have a flat top.
As I walk, I'm keeping one eye out for the owls. It's about 4 p.m. Sunset's around 6:30. I haven't seen any, but they could come out this early. I've seen them come out earlier. In my last video, they came out between 2:30 and 3 p.m. So my eyes are peeled, but I'm also still exploring, hoping to see some other birds.
That was primarily wishful thinking about seeing the owls come out early. I knew I wouldn't see any in this wind. I just hoped it would calm down.
I've got my eyes on a Northern Harrier. It's flying right out there.
Look how gracefully it handles that high wind.
I sure enjoyed watching that Northern Harrier hunt over the tall grass. It appeared to be flying low and flapping its wings in an exaggerated manner, apparently in an effort to spook some prey, possibly voles. That's pretty smart hunting.
Small birds found shelter from the strong wind inside the woods, and also I saw them in the thick brush along the way.
I'm headed back to the main road, and I think I'm pretty much going to stay in that area and wait for the owls. Hopefully they show up. I will say the wind has died down a little bit, so I'm feeling more positive about seeing them.
Red-winged blackbirds were everywhere, and their calls filled the air.
I am back on the main road, and if you take a look that way, if you look down there, you'll see other people have arrived hoping to see some owls as well.
As I stood there looking for owls, I wondered how the high winds we had would impact them this evening. They don't like high wind. And even though it was calm now, it's possible they could stay hunkered down in the grass until after dark.
The sun is getting pretty low in the sky. We're beginning to lose some good light for photography. I have not seen an owl, even at a great distance, at all. Not one. I don't know if I'm going to see one. Patience. I'll hang out longer and hope for the best. I stuck it out until the end. I didn't think I was going to see any owls. This is my 11th owl video in the past 2 months. I've seen owls every video. This is the one that I thought, well, I'm going to bomb. How am I going to end this video? Well, fortunately, I can end it with this.
I was very happy and excited to see this owl flying after the sun had set. And soon I saw others, and yes, I did take photos. Now, those initial images were as grainy and as gravelly as that gravel road I was walking on, but they cleaned up pretty nicely.
Once again, people, I didn't think I was going to see anything. I'm so grateful for what I did get. Thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And until the next time, happy birding.